Unlocking the secrets of practical workshops. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might have come across but might not fully understand: practical workshop. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone looking to expand your skills, understanding what a practical workshop entails can open up new avenues for learning and development. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this important phrase. A practical workshop is a term that combines two important concepts: practical, meaning related to real-life skills or experience, and workshop, which refers to a meeting or a session focused on intensive discussion or activity on a particular subject or project. Therefore, a practical workshop is an interactive session where participants engage in hands-on activities rather than just listening to lectures. It's all about applying knowledge in real-world scenarios, allowing for a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Practical workshops are incredibly valuable because they emphasize learning by doing. This approach helps participants retain information more effectively, develop practical skills that are relevant to their field, solve real-world problems, enhance teamwork and communication skills through collaborative tasks. These workshops are used in various fields, including education, technology, arts, and business, highlighting their versatility and importance in both academic and professional environments. Participating in a practical workshop can be a unique and enriching experience. Here's what you can typically expect. Hands-on activities. From building a model to conducting an experiment, activities are designed to apply theoretical knowledge. Interactive discussions. Facilitators encourage questions and discussions to deepen understanding. Group projects. Working with others to achieve a common goal enhances learning and teamwork skills. Feedback sessions. Constructive feedback is provided, offering insights into improvements and strengths. We hope this video has shed some light on what practical workshops are and why they are such a crucial part of learning and professional development. By engaging in these workshops, you not only gain practical skills but also the confidence to apply what you've learned in the real world. So, we encourage you to seek out and participate in practical workshops relevant to your interests and field. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos like this one. See you in the next session.